Hello student, here the completed code implement the flood fill algorithm using breadth first search BFS to identify and modify marked pixel in an image represented as a 2D array. So here some part of the code is written and some part I have added. So create a node. First is create the node, the data points within the graph class node. So here I have taken the constructor. With the help of this I have initialized the data self.x equal to x, self.y equal to y, and self.neighbours is a list of empty at the starting. So start function act as a starting point for the flood fill algorithm. So here I have defined the start function. So here sample images represented as a 2D array of the number are these images are I have taken into the array in 1010 form. So this is given to us and it is the 2D array. So, now I have taken the graph class